Let's rewrite sine squared, cosine squared in terms of the first powers of cosines of multiple angles. Alright, so we're looking at sine squared, cosine squared. And we want to write them in terms of first powers. So I need to reduce the power. They're in squared right now, and I need to make it where it's not squared. So we have formulas from the previous slide there. I can get rid of sine squared by making it 1. Actually, I'm going to write this underneath it. Might be easier to see it. So this one is 1 minus cosine of 2u over 2. And then cosine squared, I can reduce its power by making it 1 plus cosine of 2u over 2. What can I do now?
Nothing.
Can we multiply?
No.
Yeah, how do you multiply fractions?
Straight across.
Straight across. So you do the top, I'll do the bottom.
Wow.
Alright, so I'm actually going to write it out. So 1 minus cosine of 2u times 1 plus cosine of 2u. So I'm going to have to do FOIL on top. That's what 1 plus cosine of 2u minus cosine of 2u minus cosine squared. Uh-oh, why am I putting u's? They should be x's, shouldn't they?
Just leave it.
That's what it was. I wrote the formula, but the problem has an x in it, so. But if you did it as u's, I wouldn't count it wrong. It's hard with them switching back and forth. Alright, and it's over 4. We have like terms right here. So we get 1. Those cancel. So we have minus cosine squared of 2x over 4. Am I done?
Nope.
Why not?
So come back to where you started. So you still square.
I still have a squared in there, don't I? So I'm going to have to deal with that. So, we got 1 minus. So, yes. Alright, so we got 1 minus. And then the cosine. Now be careful because that's cosine squared of u, right? But this is my u right here, so we're going to plug in 2x. So we got 1 plus cosine of 2u, we said is 2x, right? Over 2. And it's all over 4. Yeah, it's a mess, huh? Alright, so change that to 1 over 1 minus, I'm just going to simplify inside here just a little bit. 1 plus cosine of 4x over 2 all over 4. How do you subtract fractions? Common denominator. So remember, multiply them. You're going to multiply this first fraction by 2 and the second fraction by 1. So we have 2. Oops, sorry, I didn't mean to make that mark. over 2 minus 1 plus cosine of 4x over 2 all over 4. Okay, I'm going to erase the top of mine so I can bring it back up so y'all can see it better. Now, when we go to combine these, remember this negative is going to go to both of these, okay? So we have 2 minus 1 minus cosine of 4x all over 2, the common denominator, all over 4. Combine the like terms there on top. 2 minus 1 is 1. And now what? Keep it, change it, flip it. I've simplified that top part of the big fraction all I can. So we get 1 minus cosine of 4x over 2. Change it to times, flip it. It was 4 over 1, so now it's 1 over 4. And so we get 1 minus cosine of 4x all over 8.